Hi everyone, welcome to Tricks in JEE and NEET. Relative positions of circle. Suppose you are given that a circle lies in another circle. This is the first condition. And second condition is given. A circle touches internally. And another one is given, two circles intersect at two different points. And fourth condition is given, circles touch externally. And fifth question is given, circles do not touch each other. Okay, these are the 5 conditions. First, what you have to take is, in every case, C1, C2 is common. C1, C2 is common. So write C1, C2. And R1 minus R2 or R1 plus R2. What you have to take? If a circle lies in another circle, then you have to take R1 minus R2. If it is out of the part, then it is R1 plus R2. See here, second circle lies in the first circle. It means the interior part. So R1 minus R2. And which symbol? See, the less than symbol. Interior part, less than symbol, R1 minus R2. Okay? So less than. And next, it touches, but it lies inside. So R1 minus R2 touches. So equality symbol. And the second circle, some part lies inside and some part lies outside. So, inside part will be R1 minus R2 and outside part will be R1 plus R2. And this is touches the circle and this totally lies outside. So, it will be equal to R1 plus R2. Okay? And this is completely lies outside and it doesn't touch. So, it will be greater than R1 plus R2. Okay? You can take the standard reference and you can get the formulas for this. And I want to tell you one this. See. Suppose if the angle between them is 90 degrees, if it is 90 degrees, if theta is 90 degrees, then they are called orthogonal circles. Okay? It will come under system of circles, but we will do questions in this also. System orthogonal circles. Okay, the condition is just 2G1 G2 plus 2F1 F2 is equal to C1 plus C2. X coordinate and this is Y coordinate. It means the center point, and this is constant of first circle and this is the constant of second circle. Let's move to the questions. The first question is 1998 IIT question. Okay, let's solve this. See, the question is number of common tangents to this circle and this circle. First we need to know what is the condition. C1 is 0, 0. Okay, and second one C2 is 3, 4. I think you know how to get this. And radius will be 2. And here radius will be 9 plus 16, coefficient of g square plus f square minus C. Minus C, it will become plus 24. From this I can get 7. Okay. What is the C1, C2? Get the C1, C2 value first. Square root of 16 plus 9. Of course it will become 25 and then 5. Can I say that C1, C2 is equal to what is this? R1 and this is R2. Modulus of R1 minus R2. Of course 5 is equal to modulus of 2 minus 7. Then it will become minus 5 modulus 5 is equal to 5. So these circles touch internally. What is the condition? Internally. See the condition. C1, C2 is modulus of R1 minus R2. How to know the common tangents? For this 0, we can't draw any tangent. For this, I can draw a tangent like this. So 1. For this, I can write 2 common tangents. And for this condition, 3 common tangents. And for this, 4 common tangents. Okay. Take a screenshot if you want. And let's move to the question. Okay. See. What is the number of common tangents? 1. So answer will be B option. Okay. And the second question is, these 2 circles intersect at 2 different points. 2 distinct points means I know that 2 circles distinct points. Yes. This is. And what is the condition? Some part lies inside and some part lies outside. R1 minus R2 is less than C1, C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Okay. This is 1989 IIT question. Okay. First R1 is R. I don't know. R1 is R. And R2 is square root of G square value is 4 minus 1. 16 plus 1 minus 8. Okay. And C1 value is 1, 3 and C2 is 4, minus 1. 16, 17 minus, okay, it will become 9, right? So R2 is 3. R1 minus R2, R minus 3 is less than C1, C2 value. Square root of 3 square plus 2 square. Square root of 4 minus 1, 3 square plus 4 square. Less than R1 plus R2, R plus 3. Then it will become 5 is less than R1, R plus 3. It will become R is less than 8. If I take these 2 conditions, 2 is less than R. It means R is greater than 2. Combine these 2 and you will get the answer. 2 is less than, R is less than 8. Yes. Okay. A option is the correct one. Okay. See, this is some interesting question, I think. C1, C2 with the centers of circles, these 2 circles respectively. P and Q are point of intersection. I know this is. Then area of P, C1, Q, C2. This is C1 and this is C2. This is P and this is Q. You have to find the area of this. I am drawing outside of this CP, C1, C2, Q. You have to find this. Can I say that these 2 have same area? And I can say that area of quadrilateral will be 2 into area of the triangle PC1, C2. But how to know? If I know the angle between these, if it is 90 degrees, I can write half into base into height, half into this one and this one. Okay. So you have to check here the orthogonal condition. Okay. Orthogonal condition only comes when there is intersection of two circles. Let's check the orthogonal condition. C1 will be 1, 1, okay, and C2 will be 3, 3. So C1, C2 will be square root of 4 plus 4, right? Sorry, this is not required. We have to check orthogonal condition, right? 2 into G1 into G2 plus 2 into F1 into F2 is equal to constant C1 plus C2 minus 2 plus 14. It will become 12. So this is also 6 plus 6, 12. Yes, this is right angle triangle. I can get that. Can I say this is a radius? And this is also radius of first circle and radius of second circle. Can I apply this? Here I am applying. Okay. 2 into half into this value radius is, when you calculate you will get, see, square root of 1 plus 1 plus 2. It will become 4. So it will become square root of 4 means 2 only, right? Base into height will be also center, and this is constant 14. Calculate 9 plus 9 minus 14. 18 minus 14, 4. It will become 2. Yes, 4 square. 4 squares. This is the option. Okay. Let's see the another question. These two circles intersect at two distinct points, means this is the condition, and we have to get the R value. But see here, this is like this. Equation of circle is given and it is equal to R square. How to get that? See students, we have to convert it like this so that we can take it as some x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. But how to get this? I can get the equation of it as x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 10 whole square is equal to R square. How did I get this? Here is a trick I applied, that when coefficient of x square and y square is a square root of some number, I have to take coefficient of x by 2 and write like this, and coefficient of y by 2 and write like this is equal to R square. Soon I will upload a video on that also. No need to worry. X minus 4 whole square is the second equation of circle. Okay. These two intersected two distinct points means R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Okay. R1 minus R2. R minus 6 is less than center points 8, 10, 4, 7. Find the values. 8 minus 4, 16 plus 10 minus 7, 3, 9 is less than R plus 6. Then it will become R minus 6 is less than 5 is less than R plus 6. Then I get R is less than 11 and minus 1 is less than R. So R is greater than 1. So combine these two equations and you will get 1 is less than R is less than 11. C is the option. Okay. This is 2019 JEE main, and see, this is 1989 advanced question. Whatever the pattern here, it was repeated here. Okay. And let's take to the questions. Okay. Number of common tangents. I want to give it as a do it yourself. Okay. Just test C1 C2 and R1 plus R2. Take if you want R1 minus R2 also. Whatever you get the condition, look at this and get the number of tangents. Okay. Move to sixth question. See, this is 2015 IIT question. Sixth question is JEE question 2014. C is a circle with center C1 and radius R1. If T is a circle at 0, y, it means the center that is passing through origin and touching the circle C externally. Try to draw the diagram. C is a circle with centers are same. So it means that yeah, this is right 1 1. If T is a circle at 0, y passing through origin, it is passing through origin and touches the circle externally. Okay, and its center is 0, y. So radius also y. So first take R1 is 1, C1 is 1, 1, R2 is y, C2 will be what? 0, y. Touches externally means C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay. C1, C2, square root of 1 plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus y. Calculate that 1 plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 1 plus y. 2 plus y square minus 2y. 2 plus y square minus 2y will be 1 plus y square plus 2y. Square root, when it goes here, it will become square. Then you can get that 1 is equal to 4y. From this I am getting this, and y will be 1 by 4. Y is of course radius, then the option is D. Okay. These two circles intersect orthogonally. What is the orthogonal condition? 2G1, G2 plus 2F1, F2 is equal to C1 plus C2. Okay. This is 2000 IIT question. Orthogonal condition is given in JEE mains question also. Let me see where it is. Here orthogonal condition is applied. Okay. 2G1, G2. First, centers of first circle will be minus 1, k, minus k. And C2 will be 0, minus k. And constant, this is G1 and this is F1. This is G2 and this is F2. Constant will be C1 will be 6 and C2 will be k. 2 into minus 1 into 0, apply this condition, plus 2 into minus k into minus k is equal to C1 plus C2. It will become 2k square minus 6 minus k is equal to 0. 2k square minus 4k minus 3k. I am solving the quadratic equation. 2k of k minus 2 minus 3 of k minus 2 is equal to 0. K is value 2 and 2k minus 3 means, sorry, here I have to take 3, right? 3 of k minus 2 minus 3 by 2. Let me check. 3 of, sorry, 4k plus 3, right? Then it will become minus k, yes, minus k. 4 3 is minus 12, 2 into 6 minus 12, yes. Plus 3, it will become 3, okay, minus k is 2 value and minus 3 by 2. This is the condition, okay. See, this is This is 2000 IIT question and this is 1988 IIT question. A circle passes through the point A comma B, cuts the circle x square plus y square orthogonally, then equation of locus of its center. Circle, let's say the equation of circle will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And it is given that circle passes through the point A comma B. It passes through the A comma B and it is orthogonal to this circle. Orthogonal to this circle. 2g1 g2 plus 2 f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. Orthogonal condition, never forgot. 2 into g1 we don't know and g2 is 0 from this. 2 into f1 I don't know and it will become 0. C1 is c minus k square. From this I can get c is equal to k square. Apply this here. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k square is equal to 0. We have to get the locus of the center. Center is minus g comma minus f. And it is given that it is passes through a comma b. A square plus b square plus 2ag plus 2bf plus k square is equal to 0. Can I say that here x comma y minus g is equal to x. In what is the locus condition? Locus condition note, if we want to get a locus of any point, we can take that point as x comma y, right? Here g is there. Of course, it is the equation and we have to get that in x comma y. A square plus b square, g is equal to minus x. So, it will become minus 2x a. Alright. Minus 2b y plus k square is equal to 0. From this you can get that a square plus b square plus k square is equal to 2ax plus 2by, and from this the equation of locus of its center will be 2ax plus 2by minus of a square plus b square plus k square is equal to 0. Okay, this is the option given. Options are so lengthy, that's why I didn't write that. Okay, little challenge for you. Circle S passes through the point and that is orthogonal to these two circles. Orthogonal condition 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. But here given that circle is orthogonal to this circle and this circle. First, take the circle as, okay, I will do this. Check your answer, pass the button and do it. Okay. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here more than one option is correct. Okay. And this is x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 16. And this is x square plus y square is equal to 1. Orthogonal condition 2 into g1 into g2 is, I don't know, take this as g1. And it is minus 1 plus f1 is, f2 is 0, so no need to take that. And c1, c plus minus 16. Okay, it will become minus c minus 16. 2 minus 2 g1 is c minus 16. This is equation 1. Compare this also. Then you will get that x square g1 here, g2 is 0 and here, okay, whatever the center will be 0, right? So 2 into g1 into 0 plus 2 into f1 into 0 will be c minus 1, and I can see that c is 1. Okay, I have to get the f also. Okay, from this can I say that minus 2 g1 is minus 15, then it will become g value is, wait, something wrong fishies happened here, minus 15. Arey yaar, what I had done. See, this is radius, right? And I have taken it as constant. How stupid am I? See, convert this and you will get x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square is equal to 16. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 15. C1 will be minus 15, right? Okay. And it will become 14. Then G1 will be 7. Okay. Okay, 7. And this is C is 1. I substituted here. How to get the f value? See, this will pass through 0, 1. So 0 square plus 1 plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. C value is 1. F value will be minus 1. Okay. 7 comma minus 1. And C value is 1. Radius will be square root of 49 plus 1 minus 1. It will become 7. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.